You can't lose weight if you don't know this. Exercising or eating fewer calories is not enough to get rid of fat. Follow these simple rules and you will see the results in 10 days. Don't waste money on a dietitian. Don't stress about losing weight. Everything you need to know is in this video. Eat a palm-sized portion of animal protein every day. You can eat fats that come with protein. Eat less than 50 grams of sugar a day. Choose green leafy vegetables to replace sugar. Green leafy vegetables have more fiber, so insulin does not rise as quickly. To lose weight, focus on reducing insulin resistance. There are videos on our channel about how to reduce insulin resistance. How do you reduce insulin resistance? In short, don't eat too many carbohydrates. Eat less often and less quickly. Try to avoid stress. Take precautions against inflammation. You cannot lose weight if you do not pay attention to what I have said. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, avoid things that cause bloating and indigestion. If you are hungry, wait a while. Don't eat right away. If you don't eat for a long time, fat will start to burn. If you eat often, your stomach will shrink, but you won't burn any fat. Do small exercises and stay away from grains. Don't keep junk food around the house. Avoid processed foods. If your food is close to its original form, eat it. If it doesn't look like the original, don't eat it. When exposed to cold, your body burns calories and fat to warm itself. Take a cold shower. If you know someone with weight problems, share this video with them. If you are not overweight but have a bloated belly, watch the liver detox video on our channel. There are lots of interesting videos on our channel. Have a healthy day.